All right, Johnston's Fall in Banff Park. We're headed up to Johnston Canyon Upper Falls. Just like that. So we are going to Johnston Canyon Trail. Upper Falls is 1.5 miles. Lower Falls, 1/2 mile. So 2 miles. So we are here on the Icefields Parkway, and we decided to make another intro for the video for the 4 nomads. So I go by the name Mike.
I'm Leanne. I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
And we are the 4 nomads.
So this is part 2 of the video. We have part 1 where we travel from our homes up through up into Canada. So part 2 is going to be our journey to Alaska through Canada. So follow us, and we'll put up videos as we go. Hope you enjoy it. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you. We'll see you on the road. This trail is paved, it's fenced. We're admiring the falls. Moss is in there. We are split in the path, and we're headed to the upper falls first, and then we'll come back and hit the lower falls. Check this out as we come up on top of this walk path. Walking down, looking at the river again. The girls. This is the top of the lower falls. Looking back toward the entrance of the lower falls, and we're turning the corner. And we're just seeing the water zigzag around in the riverbed. Notice how the rock is carved out for the park. And notice how the rock is carved out. We walk, the walkway is right under that, and the rock is directly overhead as you pass through. We're going under the extended rocks coming out of the cave. So I'm going to try to get this scene without any out of party. Hey, 3 nomads! 3 nomads, come here. Come into here, but I got you in the video here. This is the Upper Falls. We made it. Made it. I guess so. We are. Big kid. So, what about this walk? A little more challenging than the easy walk. And what we were anticipating. Right there. Step on the rock. Then get the next one.
Oh, yeah, no, I don't either. I'm not going.
You're not going?
No, that's
Dawn's going out? How long have you been waiting, Glenn?
Very limited space up there.
Okay.
A couple more coming out, and we're good to go.
Glenn and I made it up to the Lower Falls opening. You're not going to be able to hear a word of this. We're going to get a little wet. What do you think, Glenn?
Pretty wild.
We'll get us a selfie while we're here. We left the Johnston Canyon and went over to Silverton Falls. We are on the rock-bound trail headed up to Silverton. Leanne and Dawn have their bear spray. Check out those jackets. Nice colors on this trail. So we are at the Silverton Falls. Leanne and I made it on up. Wow, we think it was quite some elevation change. And this is the fall. These are the falls. Look at that. So we're downtown Banff. Check out the scenery behind us.
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Look at the scenery behind you.
Pretty nice. I like that up there
You have
better.
a forested mountain, or you can have
I like the Rocky Mountain. I like the sun on it.
They do have a little more